Alright, so this is our lead guitar lesson number 3. We're still talking about scales. So what I'm going to talk about right now is the number system. And what I mean by the number system is there's a couple ways of really approaching music theory. And one is from a fixed do system, one is from a movable do. Because we're doing movable scale, we're really sort of thinking more in the framework of a movable do. And what I mean by that is our relative context of the scale we're playing, we're thinking about it within the key that we're in. You don't want to go into huge detail, there's debate on that methodology-wise and not. But for movable scales, for jazz stuff, movable do is really a pretty helpful framework. So here we go. What we're going to do is using that scale we've been doing, second dot, middle finger right here. What I want to do is starting on that key note here, that's going to be my 1. And what I'm going to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I get to 8, it's the same note name as the 1. So 8 and 1 are basically the same note, just an octave apart. Octave from the Latin root of 8, oct, right? So that is the same note name. So once we get past 7, we start over again with 1. So 8 and 1 interchangeable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. And back down. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 1. And you notice we finish on the 1. We start on the 1, we finish on the 1. That locks in that sound of the key for us. But know that 7 is there, don't forget about it. Alright, so take that slowly, say the numbers as you do it. That's really important, because what you want to do is start making those connections in your brain of when I put that finger in the scale here, that's this number. You can really ground that context. So let's do that a couple times. Again, starting on index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/1. 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 1. Do that several times. Pause the video if you need to. Really get familiar with that and just ground, because eventually what you want to get to the point of saying, okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 7, 5, 3, 1. And you start doing arpeggios, you start doing melodies. We're going to be using these numbers a lot. So get really comfortable with that before going on. All right, so next lesson we'll talk about how do you start putting those numbers together in a way where you can do melodies, you can do arpeggios, you can do things like that.